In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this OnePlus. First of all, just go into Play Store and install this free app called Launcher iOS 16 from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. Then close your app and go into Devices settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access apps, click on default apps, and finally home app. Lastly, to get iOS Launcher, just click on it, tap on OK, and got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OnePlus. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!